wheel horsepower. Start that again. We are going to fit these cars on the parts. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to the channel. You've probably seen previously Shaq mentioned that he wanted to up the power on the M2, and we have finally got down to that, and we have dialed in everything that we've done to the tuning and to the parts to the car. So previously, when we did do the car, these stock about 460 brake. We went with a MHD tuning box to start with, which gained us about another 90 brake and around 100 foot-pound, which was great to be fair. It did do well and gained a lot of good power from just a tuning box, but we wanted to up that just a little bit more. So we went with a Femto unlock now on the M2. If you want to go any further with these cars, downpipes, ethanol, you do need to go with the Femto unlock. So we went with Femto. It was a fast turnaround for us, probably took us 4 days to get it unlocked and brought back into the UK. Down to the actual parts which we have fitted, we have fitted a MHD ethanol content analyzer, and we have got a MHD super license for this. In addition to that, we went with the SLN ceramic sports cats. These will pass emissions, so we don't have to worry about MOTs, and we do work very closely with SLN. The parts are great and they fit wonderful. Also, we have got the Milltex single pipe midsection onto a Milltex back box. So these are very simplistic engine. You don't need a lot of mods to gain good power. The mods that I've just mentioned are probably you go to if you want to get as much as you can. We went with the Dinan intakes on this because we do work very closely with Dinan, but if you're looking to bring the budget down just a little bit, you can just add panel filters, and that is more than enough for these cars. With us using the MHD super license and the flex fuel kit, we can have a flex fuel map on here. In addition to that, we can also have multi-maps. So what we're going to do today is we're going to tune the car to 99, get everything pretty much dialed, make sure the logs are all happy, and then we're going to start adding ethanol into there. Probably start with a E20 mix, and then we'll go as far as the car will take us. If we can go to E50 onto this, I'll be more than happy. As everyone likes to inflate figures on these cars, we'll be working in wheel horsepower today. It's pretty much like a worldwide universal measurement as well. So if you are watching from overseas, you'll be probably a bit more better understanding for this. So we do lose about 12 to 15% on the dyno. So once we know what it's made, we'll figure out after what it's actually made on clutch power. So with the power of YouTube, we are going to fit these parts to the car. So that's everything fitted to the car. YouTube magic is great. So now we're going to get the car all ready for the dyno and see what she makes. So we've just finished the 99 file on the car. We are more than impressed on what she's made. She has made 630 wheel horsepower and 582 foot-pounds worth of torque. This is like, all the logs are looking clear. It's a massive gain over the stock power, and an even bigger gain from the MHD tuning box. So we're going to start sticking the ethanol into the car and get a bit more power out of it. Ethanol has now gone into the car. Like I said before, with the MHD content analyzer, it's dead user friendly. You can read the content on your phone, and from a technician point of view, it is just a simple, dead nice, easy fit. The beauty of the MHD analyzer is the more ethanol you put into the car, the map will self-adjust to it. So if you go and put in E20 and then you go and put in E30, the car will self-adjust to that, or the other way around. If you're running E50 and you're at pod, or you're coming back home from pod and put a bit of 99 in and you go down to E30, your car will self-adjust to the content that's in there. we've done the E20 mix on there. Same again, I'm very happy with the car. The logs are looking fantastic. The car has made another 31 horsepower and another 70 foot-pounds worth of torque just by adding the ethanol on there. We didn't really have to do much adjustments at all. The car will do that for you. So yeah, we're going to go and add in E30 mix onto there. If we're happy with that, E40. If we're happy with the E40 mix, we're going to go with the E50 mix. So yeah. Finally done all the ethanol content all the way up to E50. We've seen an average gain on each ethanol content we put in there. So with the E50 mix, the car has made 714 wheel horsepower and 675 foot-pounds of torque, which on a car that's only rear-wheel drive is absolutely plenty. The logs are still very clean, so we are going to add our final map onto there, which is going to be our race map for when we're at pod or at the track. That would be used for just the track only. We wouldn't be doing that every single day on the road. That's the E50 race map done. The car absolutely screams, the whole building vibrates. It's done very good today. 740 wheel horsepower and 696 foot-pounds of torque, which also bear in mind this is in wheel horsepower. We lose about 12% on the dyno, so I'm not good at maths, so I'll get Harris to put it on the screen now, but we're more than happy with this. The logs are very clean, ignition's happy, the boost is nice and consistent all the way, but yeah, we're going to just strap it off and see what it's like on the road. So that's pretty much the M2 complete. We're happy with the logs. We're more than happy with the power that the car has made. Just been out for a road test and it feels absolutely phenomenal on the road. It's a lot of power to put down on these rear wheels, so we're probably going to be thinking to go into X-Drive on this. But yeah, next few weeks we're going to go and test the car on the track, on the strip, and see what times we can get out of it. So hope you've enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one.